Imagine a star that's already dead, yet it's still devouring its own planets. A cosmic graveyard where remnants of worlds swirl around a dying sun, long after it should have gone silent. What astronomers just discovered might rewrite everything we thought we knew about the life and death of planetary systems. Welcome back to Space Prime, your go-to channel for the latest in space news. Today we're diving into a mind-blowing discovery. Astronomers have spotted a white dwarf, an ancient stellar remnant that is still actively consuming the remains of its planets. And trust me, what they found is unlike anything we've ever seen before. White dwarf background. So first, let's set the stage. Our sun, in about 5 billion years, will swell into a red giant, potentially consuming Mercury, Venus, and maybe even Earth. Not long after, it will collapse under its own gravity and shed its outer layers, leaving behind a dense, dim core called a white dwarf. This is what happens to most stars, but while a white dwarf may seem quiet and lifeless, some of them are far more active than we ever imagined. They can still hold on to the remnants of their planetary systems, asteroids, rocky debris, and even fragments of former planets. The discovery. Astronomers were stunned when studying one particular white dwarf, LSPM J0207+3331, located about 145 light-years away in the constellation Triangulum. Using the WM Keck Observatory in Hawaii, the team found spectroscopic evidence of 13 chemical elements, from sodium and magnesium to iron, cobalt, and even strontium, clearly indicating that this star is still accreting material from rocky planetary bodies. This white dwarf is ancient, roughly 3 billion years old, yet its surrounding debris disk is the oldest and most metal-rich ever observed around a hydrogen-rich white dwarf. What this means? Here's the kicker. The minerals detected were once part of a rocky body at least 200 kilometers in diameter. That's the size of a small planet or a very large asteroid. Gravity tore it apart, sending the fragments spiraling into the star. This challenges our understanding of planetary system evolution, because it shows that even billions of years after a star's death, planetary remnants can still be dynamically active. According to lead author Erica Labordes, ongoing accretion at this stage suggests white dwarfs may retain planetary remnants that are still undergoing dramatic changes. Polluted white dwarfs. LSPM J0207+3331 is an example of what astronomers call a polluted white dwarf, a stellar remnant surrounded by clouds of material. While nearly half of all white dwarfs show signs of accreting heavy elements, these are usually hidden by hydrogen-rich atmospheres. That makes this discovery especially significant, because the high concentration of rocky material suggests something disturbed this system recently, likely within the last few million years. Co-investigator John Deebs from the Space Telescope Science Institute explained that tidal disruption and accretion mechanisms remain active long after a star's death. In other words, planetary systems may remain chaotic for billions of years. What could have caused it? So what shook up this ancient system? Astronomers speculate it could have been a Jupiter-sized planet still orbiting the white dwarf, or perhaps a gravitational disturbance from a passing star. Detecting such an outer planet will be tricky, but instruments like the ESA Gaia Observatory and NASA's James Webb Space Telescope may help reveal hidden planetary companions indirectly. Broader implications. This discovery isn't just about a distant star. It also provides a glimpse into the future of our own solar system. One day, the sun will die, leaving a white dwarf behind. Could the remnants of Earth, Mars, or even asteroids still be orbiting our sun long after it's gone? Observing LSPM J0207+3331 gives us a real-world preview of what may come. The universe never stops surprising us. Even in death, stars can continue to consume, destroy, and reshape the remnants of worlds. LSPM J0207+3331 reminds us that the cosmos is far more dynamic and unpredictable than we ever imagined. If you're fascinated by space mysteries like this, make sure to subscribe to Space Prime and hit the bell icon, because we'll keep bringing you the most mind-blowing discoveries from the farthest corners of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up, because the universe always has a story to tell.